Guarany's 20-litre Balance backpack sprayer comes with a 12-month warranty. On opening the box, you will find the sprayer itself, along with the lance, pump arm and handbook. Most of the sprayer is pre-assembled and no tools are required to complete the assembly. All of the required components to achieve full assembly come with the sprayer. These include the pump arm, lance, service kit, spray tip, elbow joint, filter, 2 R-clips and a washer. To assemble the pump arm, you'll need the 2 R-clips and the washer. Firstly, insert the short end of the pump arm into the pump handle and secure with the washer and 1 R-clip. Next, attach the long end of the pump arm to the top of the pump and use the second R-clip to secure. The pump arm is now assembled. To assemble the lance, you'll need the elbow joint, filter and spray tip. Firstly, attach the elbow joint to the end of the lance and use the black thumb nut to secure. Next, insert the filter into the spray tip and screw onto the elbow joint. The lance is now assembled. To assemble the trigger, you'll need the lance. Screw the lance onto the trigger arm. The trigger is now assembled and this concludes the full assembly of the sprayer. The trigger set is used to activate or stop the spray through standard operation of the lever. The lever can also be locked into continuous spray mode. Unscrewing the trigger handle will reveal a filter that prevents time-consuming blockages and prolongs its working life. The spray tip is fully adjustable from a pencil jet to a fan by simply turning the nozzle, and this defeats the need of having to purchase separate spray tips. As previously shown, inside the spray tip is a filter to help prevent time-consuming blockages during use. The shoulder straps are padded to improve user comfort and are adjustable. A unique feature of the 20-litre Balance backpack sprayer is the ergonomic design. The sprayer tank has been contoured to fit the shape of the human back for added comfort during long operation. Another accommodating feature is the adjustable pump handle. By undoing the nut, the handle can be pulled out to a position that suits the user. Lock the nut to secure the chosen position. All Guarany sprayers come with a 100ml dosing cup conveniently mounted in the lid, a deep sieve filter that aids filling and helps prevent spillage, and a large, easy-to-handle lid for operators wearing big gloves.